An abbreviated new drug application, ANDA, is the regulatory process by which a generic drug is approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. It allows drug manufacturers to market a generic version of a previously approved brand name drug, also called the reference listed drug or RLD, without repeating costly clinical trials, provided they can demonstrate equivalency. Blue Book ANDA submission in detail. 1. Purpose of ANDA. The goal is to provide safe, effective, and lower-cost alternatives to brand name drugs. Unlike a full new drug application, NDA, an ANDA does not require preclinical, animal, or clinical human studies to establish safety and efficacy. Instead, it must demonstrate bioequivalence to the RLD's same active ingredients, dosage form, strength, route of administration, labeling, and conditions of use. 2. Regulatory basis governed by the Hatch-Waxman Act, Drug Price Competition and Patent Term Restoration Act of 1984, codified in the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, FD&C Act, Section 505J. 3. Key components of an ANDA submission. A. Administrative and product information. Drug name, dosage form, strength, route of administration. Name of RLD patent certification. See below. Cover letter and FDA forms, e.g., Form FDA 356H. B. Chemistry, manufacturing, and controls, CMC, details about drug substance and drug product manufacturing processes and control stability data, container closure systems. C. Bioequivalence. B. Data comparative studies between the generic and the RLD to prove pharmacokinetic, PK, equivalence, e.g., Cmax, AUC, same rate and extent of absorption. D. Labeling must be substantially the same as the RLD's labeling, except for differences like inactive ingredients, manufacturer name, etc. E. Patent certification, paragraph 4 certification, required to address patents listed in the Orange Book for the RLD. Paragraph 1. No patents. Paragraph 2. Patents have expired. Paragraph 3. We'll wait for patent expiration. Paragraph 4. Patent is invalid or not infringed. Often leads to litigation. F. Environmental considerations, environmental impact assessment, or categorical exclusion. G. User fee submission of generic drug, user fee amendments, DUFA, fees. 4. Review process. A. Filing review, 60 days. FDA determines whether the ANDA is complete. Receipt for filing letter. B. Scientific review, 10 months standard/8 months priority. Review of bioequivalence data, CMC, labeling facility inspections, if needed. C. Patent and exclusivity review confirms if any exclusivity periods block approval. D. Approval or complete response letter, CRL, approval letter. Drug is approved for marketing. CRL. Deficiencies must be addressed before approval. 5. Post-approval requirements. Annual reports, adverse event reporting, and compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, may include post-marketing commitments or changes requiring supplemental ANDA. 6. Advantages of ANDA process. Lower cost and faster path to market, promotes competition, increases drug accessibility for patients. 7. Challenges in ANDA submission. Demonstrating bioequivalence for complex generics, e.g., inhalers, injectables, patent litigation, especially with paragraph 4, regulatory delays due to incomplete applications or manufacturing issues.